One thing I always enjoy with the Pfaff machines is the nice assortment of needles that come with the machine. Now you have from universal needles to a wing needle, stretch needle, jeans needle, and an embroidery needle. Now each needle is designed with a different point and different sizes for different projects. So up here, right at this right-hand corner, that is a link to our needle videos, where if you would like to learn more about, like, say, what is a wing needle, those would be great videos to review. They're nice and short and sweet. Watch the ones you want. A couple things that I find with needles. Number one, if you're getting any thread breaks or little loops of thread on the top of your fabric, something's not consistent, change your needle. That's the first line of attack. Also too, if you ever hear like it's stitching, and you're hearing a little tap tap, that's too where sometimes the needle point has been damaged and you're hearing it trying to punch through your fabric. If you ever sew over pins and you hit a pin, change your needle. The other thing that makes sometimes stitches not stitch correctly is that the machine needs some cleaning. So make sure you get the throat plate off and clean all the lint out of below the machine, and it will make such a difference. Between cleaning and knowledge of needles, you will have a machine that will treat you well with any project you're about to sew.